Hi, I'm Zach Ventresca, and I'm the owner of Window Gang Austin. I bought Window Gang Austin, and I had no idea what I was doing in so many aspects of owning a business. I'd never owned a business before. I certainly had never owned a window cleaning business. I didn't even know you could make a living in window cleaning. I had no idea it was as big an industry as it is. I bought the franchise, and I immediately got on the phone with Window Gang corporate headquarters and started asking what I was supposed to do, and it was an incredible experience. They were able to streamline our marketing. We saved a ton of money. We were able to run our crews more efficiently. We brought in software that was able to help with dispatching, and we just went from a really inefficient operation to just following the rule book and lining up with the way the franchise system wants things to run. And we went from barely being profitable to a year later making a good living, comfortable lifestyle for me and my family. I get to take time off, I get to travel, and then in the end, it's a good living. If you follow the plan and you run your system efficiently, you get all of these benefits.